Sav and Clay, let's play!
I'm so excited to work on this LOL jewelry kit. Are you guys excited? If so, keep watching. Look at all these awesome beads. They're so colorful. Are you ready? Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We have a special guest.
Hi guys, I'm Sav's mom. Thanks for tuning in and watching Sav and Clay's channel.
Today we're gonna do the LOL jewelry kit.
I think it's gonna be so much fun.
Yes.
We've been waiting a while to do this, right?
Yeah, I've been waiting for so long.
And today, finally we get to do it. Are you ready? Okay guys, so we are going to jump right into this project and go ahead and read the instructions really quickly so we can figure out how to make these really awesome LOL jewelry. Right? I think we can make like bracelets and necklaces and that sort of thing. So we're gonna go ahead and see how to make them. I think we need to start with instruction 1, not, what's that?
3.
Yeah, that's not right. Do you see instruction number 1? Oh, here.
What you'll need, rotating charge, stand at the elastic cord, acting sticky sheet, a pair of scissors that mommy had, and tie a knot on the end,
What do you want to make? A necklace or a bracelet?
It's hard to tell. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe.
Catch a puppy by its toe.
If you holler, let him go.
Eeny, meeny, miny, moe.
And I'll pick necklace.
Okay, let's go ahead and make that necklace. Who's that?
Clayton. Yeah. Step 1, we cut our elastic cord. Step 2, then we need to make our bead. I'm gonna pick what's going on my charm. This one and this one. She's like the cover.
Cool.
And now we're gonna put Cosmic Queen.
Now we're gonna pick who's gonna go on our little charms, and we're gonna try to make sure that we make a nice little pattern. So maybe 2 pinks. You want the purple ones? Maybe?
Yeah. We could do some blue.
You want blue?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. It's like bubblegum.
Oh no! I lost the blue one.
We can use one blue. No, we can do that. We don't have to do that.
Well, that we can use. Maybe we'll save that for a bracelet.
Oh yeah. We did a pattern and it's pink, purple, pink. Pink, purple, pink.
That's awesome. You did a really good job making your pattern.
Thank you. And on this side I have Cosmic Queen.
We have to pick the stickers to go on the small round one. So. Now we have all of our charm pieces selected. We're gonna go ahead and start to put on our small beads. And for this,
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Guys, you really need an adult to help you with the beads because they're so tiny.
So guys, the next step is to get your cord and then start to string on your beads. So let's go ahead and do that.
Oh, they're so tiny. Can't even see them right now. They're so tiny. Oh no.
So I have pink, green, pink. Let's get some purple and blue on there.
I got purple.
Okay. Grab a blue one.
OMG. This necklace is so cute.
My turn. So guys, it's really good to take turns.
Yeah, because if you take turns, like when I do at my school, and it would be so much fun. Now we only have 4 more to go. Now we're gonna put Cosmic Queen.
Yay! That's so exciting. I'll hold it and you put it in. Perfect. All right, guys, it's time to try on the necklace.
Did you guys enjoy the video?
We made this awesome necklace all by ourselves using the LOL Surprise Jewelry Kit.
Today in our video we talked about colors, patterns, or fine, gross motor skills. I'm really happy you guys got to watch. Remember to come back if you guys want to see more. So remember to subscribe to 7 Clay's channel. So watch, keep reading, have faith, be confident, and try your best. Comment down below with your favorite LOL and tell me. And thank you, Mommy, for joining me.
You're welcome.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.